man, I want to get sick.
No, it's not. Where you going? It's the Sick Show. Buenos dias.
I've been leaving out of there before people and still get picked up last.
Say what up though for the camera.
What up though, people? That I'm not gonna get picked up on.
You are. I'm interrupting this program to say it's hard out here for a pimp. I mean a YouTuber, a small YouTuber, a black YouTuber. Y'all are gonna see other people on my channel from time to time as a way to show support, get the word out about their channels. Today I did a collab video with Story of China. If you want to see the video that I did, you must go to Story of China. I'm gonna put the link in the description box below. Check out my video, hilarious. Also subscribe to her channel. If you love me, you will love her. Alright, so I'm on my way to drop off baby boy. I got a meeting with this company that I might be doing some contracting work for. So, you know, my hair is up in a bun. That means that I'm about work business. Let's roll. Wait a sec, got your girl wetter than tomato flesh, waiting on me with bated breath. Check it out, y'all. Check it out, baby. Check it out, y'all. Check it out, baby. Check it out, y'all. Have a nice show, ooh. Have a nice show, ooh. Your better, she had a nice show, ooh.
Hey, Granddaddy. So we've been eating grits ever since you gave me that 5-pound bag of Jim Dandy grits. Where you get that from?
You can get them made in Italian store.
These people are funny. It's a man that works at the gas station. He says,
I just want to know why you ain't shown this car no love. I said, you mean washed it? Oh, I said, I ain't paying $7, $8, $9, $10 for no car wash. And then I don't want people thinking I got no money. I want to look broke. So then this white man comes out, older white. So he says, ooh, I knew you would be out here talking to the pretty ladies. Cheesing with his crooked smile. And he was like, I can't convince her to get her car washed. I said, that's right. And he said, she must not be looking for no boyfriend. And I said, I'm not. I said, I'm married. He said, well, some people, you know, are looking when they're married. I said, some people might be, but not I. Hootie hoo. I ain't like them other girls out in the streets. I ain't like the other hoes. I ain't like the other hoes. You ain't gotta want you to take me serious. I want you to take me serious. Baby, make me serious. 'Cause my love is waiting for you. Boy, it's true.
when your Christmas tree fall on the ground and you too lazy to pick it up. When your kids throw your Christmas tree on the ground. I mean, what happened? Was it ever standing up? I don't celebrate Christmas, but my family member has a Christmas tree, so here's a Christmas tree for y'all. So, you know, hope y'all like it. Look at Saturn Q's outfit. What up, though?
Say what up, though. I don't know if your Tiki wants you to do that.
Rudolph, Rumpa-Pum-Pum, Candy Cane.
Ooh.
Yeah, Santa Claus thing on back there.
Okay, yes, y'all. So, like I said, I want to thank everybody for sending positive energy and love our way and being supportive to us and leaving kind comments, encouraging comments. You know, I read every comment and I respond, and that stuff, like, I feel that.
What else you ever seen me? Tired, my feet hurt. I'm fucking Toby. Toby's, my middle name is Toby.
Solomon Toby Kunta.
Yeah.
Kiss you with onion breath. Does it taste like onions?
No.
Can you smell it? Huh?
No.
No,
Chest hurt. What's happening? Chest, my feet.
She kiss like they kiss on soap operas. Make the Sick Show a soap opera. Sexy with this hair.
The Aloe Black style.
Even though Aloe Black looks like shit.